All right, I'm going to give a little disclaimer before we start. Jeff Desnoyers is a very nice guy, a very capable, very talented, very reliable meteorologist, but he's here now to ruin your week. All right, go ahead, bah humbug.
I know.
If people thought that, okay, you know, we dodged the bullet on Super Bowl Sunday, we had a bad Monday, but okay, half a foot of accumulation, we got the worst behind us. Not so fast, my friend.
Yeah, the pattern is just incredibly active, and whenever you have a southern jet, we call it the southern jet stream. The jet stream is what dictates low pressures and tracks them closer. It's like, think of it as like a chauffeur or a limousine for the storms. When that jet stream tracks right close to our region, we usually stay very active, and that's what we have as we get into this week. We have a low southern jet wrapping around the southwest of the United States, bringing low pressures from the southern plains right into our area. Now, the one that tracked through the area today had enough cold air to bring us snow. The ones that are coming up this week, there are multiple opportunities for snow and rain and sleet and freezing rain. But right now, it looks like the tracks will be real close again, and it's going to be one of those things. It's just how close it comes. It dictates the type of precipitation we have. But the one thing we do know, it stays very active for the rest of the week into the weekend.
So what at least I know is we've got now accumulation on the ground, and we're not going to have a day like we saw on Sunday morning or something, or Sunday where it's going to get up to 50. It's going to stay cold. And then the problems started happening Tuesday night, right?
Yeah, that's our next storm system. And what's going to happen, this is not a run of Arctic outbreaks. This is just enough cold air on each and every storm to bring some kind of frozen precipitation, or at least parts of the storm to be frozen. So like on Tuesday night into Wednesday, the storm arrives at night, our coldest part of the day. What happens is it starts to snow. As the warmer air works into the system as we get into the morning on Wednesday, it does change over, but you have accumulations at that point already. You have a really tough Wednesday morning commute, and then just becomes a big old mess in the afternoon.
So it goes into rain, ice, snow, some kind of precipitation mixture, which is going to make for a rough commute. But the big worry is what could be happening end of week into weekend, right?
Yeah, it looks like Sunday night, after a small system for Saturday, Sunday night into Monday, when all eyes turn to a potential blockbuster across the region. This thing has so much moisture wrapped into it. The question at this point, does it swing and miss us to the south? Or does it come a little bit too far north to bring us a mixture that would hold down those snow totals? But right now, if it were to zero in and move closer to the area, we would be talking about feet, not inches at that point.
Now, I know there was a little bit of a Twitter war with certain meteorologists here, even at the same place, by the way, about some people jumping ahead here when they're saying 3 feet or more. Yeah. I know that's premature, but we could be talking about that. That's Sunday into Monday.
I could easily sit here and say 1.5 to 2 feet would be not out of the question at all.
Jesus. All right. Well, thanks for nothing, Jeff. All right. Obviously, Jeff and the meteorological team will be keeping an eye on this throughout the whole week here, and we'll keep you posted as well. All right, we're going to wrap things up when we come back. Please stay with us.